Hi, I'm Patty with Holyland Marketplace. Are you looking for a little box for your trinkets or rings? We have just what you need, and they are imported from the land of the Bible. Small boxes made from olive wood, and each has a special inscription carved into the lid, such as Yeshua, Jesus, inside a fish. The grafted in symbol. God bless our home. The Lord's Prayer. Even a dove and shalom. So to see our entire selection of OliveWood boxes and purchase one for yourself or as a gift, visit us at holylandmarketplace.com. Well, that's all I have for today. See you next time.
Please join in with us today and help support God's people by heading on over to holylandmarketplace.com.